JasonDaniel for Indie.com.
Dr. Kendrick. I didn't mean to startle you.
Really? That's quite an entrance.
If I wanted to, I could do better than that.
Sure you could. Are you alone?
Are you?
Do I look that stupid?
Appearances can be deceiving. And of course, I saw your people. Just testing your truthfulness. Rifles? Really, Doctor?
I know. But they're military types. Trained a certain way. It's really useful to the cameras.
About as effective as the rifles, I'm afraid. But suit yourself. May I sit? Anyway, you showed up. That's what matters. Do you know why you're here?
Pretty good guess.
Let's hear it.
I replicated your biological profile. And you're here to stop me from using it against you.
Wrong on both counts. Though your work does interest me.
Well, I'm flattered. And relieved. Otherwise, I'd be a midnight snack.
That's insulting. I'll overlook it this time. It's not my biology you've managed to imitate. And by the way, that's a far cry from replicating, as a side note. And no, I'm not concerned with you using it against me, which would be as ineffectual as your guns.
So what do you want?
I want you to use it against them.
I don't understand. Aren't you...
Hardly. The ones you've encountered here are rogues. Mutants.
So your experiments got out of hand. Your little lab rats got loose and now their power threatens you? You want me to do your dirty work for you, is that it?
They don't threaten me. But they'll be the death of you.
So you're here out of concern for me and my kind. That's touching.
Not really. You're misidentifying who the lab rats are, Doctor.
We're the ones in the petri dish. That means you need us for something. It's interesting. What might that be?
You're so very clever. I'm sure you'll figure it out. Eventually.
And in the meantime, why don't you wipe out your escapees yourself? I'm sure you could do it more quickly and cleanly.
The answer to your first question satisfies your second.
So if we do what you want, clean up your little toxic spill, how do I know you're not just going to wipe us out when you're done with whatever experiment you're preserving us for?
You don't.